So hello my dear friends, this is the I think most important question asked by most of the students. और यह not only in terms of girls also boys, यह जो question है this kind of questions I found somewhere in comment in my mail or as in my Instagram account. So one question was there कि I have some doubt regarding hostel. Is there any restrictions in girls hostel or कि sir what is the timing of girls hostel? Are girls allowed to go outside the campus? Are boys, can boy really go to the girls hostel? Can girls really go to the boy hostel? Is there a time limit, or by what conditions you can go out? So all these kinds of things, what is the hostel charge, how much girls should pay, how much boys should pay for the hostel, or what are the other facilities, each and every doubt will be clear in this video. Please watch till end. First thing, hostel fee. Hostel fee is 500 rupees for 6 months, which is effectively approx 83 to 84 rupees per month. This is for general and OBC. For ST and SC, completely free hostel. There is no fee for the hostel. First thing. Hope it's clear. And there is no segregation for male and female both has the same criteria. The only category matters. If you are from general and OBC, 500 rupees hostel for 6 months, that is 1 semester. And for ST, SC, no hostel fee, completely free. First thing is clear. Second thing, can really boy go to the girls hostel? I mean, is India that level of freedom? Does India have? Are we accepting that level of social access? So just think of, I'm taking a pause of few seconds, just you think, do you think really boys should be allowed to the girls hostel? The answer is no. Boys are not allowed to go to the any girls hostel. However, they can meet outside the hostel. If you have any friends, if you want to meet, or if you have brought any books, कोई आप बुक वगैरह के लेके आए, उनसे मिलना वगैरह हो, या कुछ किताब देना हो, या जो भी हो, तो एज ए फ्रेंड आप उनसे मिल सकते हैं, but you are not allowed to go inside the girls hostel. Now next question, just reverse. Can really girls come to the boys hostel? क्या लड़कियां boys hostel आ सकती है? In one line answer is yes. Yes, लड़कियां लड़के के boys hostel आ सकती है, but given that girls should be legal, girls should be student. As a friend, you can come to the boys hostel, and most of the times if there is a security guard, you have to mention that, you have to write the name. However, in some hostels there is no security guard, in just it's for only your safety. So this kind of freedom is there. What is the time limit कि सर कितने बजे तक? Yes, 24/7 in outside the campus, inside the campus, outside the hostel, anywhere 24/7 is allowed. No restriction, nothing limitation, no any allowance कि मुझे आपको बता के जाना है या नहीं. सिर्फ आपको गेट पे एक सिक्योरिटी चेक होगा, आप ऑफिशियल स्टूडेंट हैं कि नहीं, जो मेन गेट पे है, एंड एवरीबडी इज अलाउड 24/7. देयर इज ए नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन. 2 बजे रात हो, 3 बजे रात हो. थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो गाइज. एंड गाइज, दिस वाज द ऑल डिटेल अबाउट हॉस्टल. इफ एनी ऑफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन CUET PG 24 इकोनॉमिक्स कोर्स, you can join the course, and NET JRF course, both course has been started. All details I have given here guys. You can contact us anytime. Free demo you can watch. Please download the app link is given below, and do come HCU. Trust me, HCU has the highest level of freedom. Yes, in terms of freedom it is above than JNU. यहाँ पर भी किसी भी प्रकार का रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. ट्रस्ट माई वर्ड्स. एंड देयर इज़ नो रेगुलेशन. इट इज़ सेल्फ रेगुलेटरी बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग मास्टर्स, यू आर डूइंग ग्रेजुएशन, सो यू शुड बी सेल्फ रेगुलेटरी रेगुलेशन. यहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा सिस्टम अच्छी है, सिक्योरिटी काफ़ी अच्छा है. यहाँ पे किसी प्रकार का डर नहीं है. 100% कैंपस सेफ है. Far safer than even BHU. I know many people left BHU and joined HCU because of this security reason. यहाँ पे women safety भी काफ़ी है, and I hope कि you got the answer. Boys are not allowed to go inside the girls hostel. Girls are but allowed to come to the boys hostel. Thank you so much. Please share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.